Hello, hope you are doing well. In this video, we're going to explore some everyday English questions and how you can confidently answer them in different ways. After each question, I'll give you a turn to answer it yourself, so feel free to pause the video and practice. Let's get started.
Hi, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Sarah. Hey, I'm called Jane, but my friends call me Jenny. And how about you? Good. Next.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a software developer at a tech company. I work as a nurse in a hospital. And how about you? Good. Next.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Chicago, but I live in Los Angeles now. I come from England, specifically from London City. And how about you? Good. Next.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy playing the guitar and writing poetry. My hobbies include cooking and cycling. And how about you? Good. Next.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new countries and cultures. Sometimes, but I also enjoy spending time at home. And how about you? Good. That's all for now. Practice these sentences, and if you have any queries, just drop me a message and I'll get back to you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more practice sentences and helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.